Hello, friends. This is Daniel, and I'm back here for another video to tackle another linked list LeetCode question called reverse linked list. The question says, given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. So all this is doing is it gives us the head, which is um, a bunch of ints here, and then all it's asking us to do is swap all of them around. There's two popular solutions for this one. Um, there's one that's an iterative approach, and then there's one that's recursive. I'm personally a bit more of a fan of the iterative approach, so I'm going to show you guys that one. Um, and without further ado, we could really get started on this here. We're provided with that list node class, which gives us the value, the next instance of list node, the empty constructor, um, and everything that we need. So the first thing that I want to do when I think about tackling a problem like this, and you've probably seen me think in a similar way when I've tackled the array reversal problems, is I'm probably going to have to keep track of two different nodes, and I'm going to have to swap them around. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create um, a variable to track the node before the current one. So I'm going to do list node before, let's call it that, and I'm going to set it to null for now. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another one called list node current node and set it to head. So all that's doing is taking the node that we're currently at, which is the head, and then setting it to this current node variable. So I'm going to create another loop, a while loop, and I'm going to do while current node does not equal null, because I want to make sure that it's not there's something there. Uh, I want to do, I want to create a temporary placeholder. So similar to my previous reversal algorithms, we're going to create a temp and we're going to set that temp to the next node from the current one. So I'm going to do list node and we'll call it temp and set it to current node dot next. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, because I already stored current node dot next in temp, I have to set current node dot next to the node before, the one that we set to null originally. So what I'm going to do is current node dot next it equals node before. Awesome. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take node before and I'm going to set that to the current node. All right. So before I can finish this off, I have to bring back the original value that we stored in the temporary variable. So I'm going to do current node equals temp. Awesome. So before I can actually complete this algorithm, I'm going to return node before so that we can complete that iterative traversal. So let's go ahead and run this code. All right, looks like we have successfully reversed that. Let's try it against LeetCode's test cases. So let's submit that. All right, looks like we have successfully completed the problem. This approach, it has a O of n runtime, so it's linear and it's not too complex if you have looked at the previous reversal algorithms when we were tackling them in the arrays. So without any more steps, if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. If you like this problem and this video helped you out, like the video. And if you like these types of videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Have a great night, everyone.